Hi, I'm Glenn. Today's adventure is a bit different. I was looking on eBay when I saw a kayak that had a small leak, and the seller said it's free to anyone who gets here first. So the next morning I find myself in West London loading it onto the roof. The first job was to remove all the old repair so I could see the extent of the damage. I found 2 cracks and 6 holes. I cut a hole in the top of the kayak to fit a hatch and then used that material to plastic weld the damage up. To see how the repairs were going, I went to my local river for a test paddle, and I found the tiniest of leaks, which was an easy fix, but it wasn't the only thing I found. Now it was time for a proper outing. Off we went to the Great Ouse. If there was going to be a problem, we'll soon find out. So I did the right thing, and I gave the kayak for Jack to use. After 4 hours on the main river and a section of fast-flowing water, we stopped for lunch on the bank, sat back and planned our next adventure. I'll catch you on the next one.